What's going on, guys? So today on the table, I'm going to do a little bit of a review. So recently I finally went through one of my last remaining M447 needles. Down there at the bottom, you might be able to see it. It's broken. So as we all know, these are no longer in production. So there's a few different companies that are making replacement needles for them. I happen to come across these here, and these are actually made by a company called TEI. I guess they're based out of Colombia. As you can see, here's the actual little box here. Go ahead and open this up. I was really surprised at the quality of the needle itself. You can see, I mean, even on the needle it says right here N447. I mean, it even looks just like an actual N447, a SHURE needle. It even has the little clip, the protection clip there, so your needle doesn't get bent up while you're moving it around or doing gigs or whatever. I actually decided to get a pair because they were relatively inexpensive, and I figured why not give them a shot. Like I said, I know there's a few other companies that are out there. There's the Jico brand. They're getting a lot of good reviews as well, and I might get some of those needles sometime in the future, but this was just kind of like a little quick fix. So if we look at both needles here, you got your SHURE needle here, and you got your TEI needle here. I mean, they look relatively the same. If you look underneath, it actually looks like the TEI needle has a little bit beefier needle as opposed to the SHURE. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook them up, I'm gonna use them, see if I like them, see if they're worth the money. If not, I'll let you all know. And we're going to mount the TEI needle into the original SHURE. Like I said, it's all looks pretty much the same. I will say this, it is a bit tighter than putting in the original SHURE needle, but as you can see, they do fit, and it looks pretty spot on. Like I said, I'm gonna give them a shot, and we'll see how well they do. So I'm gonna practice with them and give them a few days of break-in time and whatnot, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so got them on the turntables here. First test is we're going to try with DVS, and we'll just see if we get a clear signal. Let's see what happens here. So it looks like you're getting full signal here, which is good. Okay, let's see how it sounds. Alright guys, so my final thoughts on the TEI N447 needle replacement. I've been using them for the last few days, and I've used them on DVS, I've used them on regular vinyl, I've mixed with them, I've scratched with them, I've juggled with them, and the sound quality is amazing. The tracking on them is just as good as the regular SHURE N447. So I highly recommend this needle from TEI. You can get them on eBay. They're really inexpensive. I got these ones here in Colorado from Mile High DJ Supply. They are actually a really good alternative to the SHURE N447, and I really do like the fact that they look exactly the same as the original. The only difference, like I said previously, is they're a little tighter to actually slide in. They're a little snug. Other than that, they're pretty much spot on. So I definitely recommend picking up some of these needles if you happen to break your SHURE N447s. This is the brand to go with. So hopefully that helps you guys out, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. Peace for now.